Hi guys, we are in Geneva, Switzerland. Arrived this morning, just here for a day, and then we're off to Chamonix in the French Alps later. We're gonna go straight, and we are doing a chocolate tour. It's discounted on the 24-hour or just the Swiss pass, so we'll take you with us on stop. There's 9 stops, but we probably won't do every one of them, but we'll take you along with us. Not sure what the phenomenon is, but it's definitely beautiful. So Zella Chocolatier is our first stop. It's not the first stop on the official tour, but it's our first stop for today. Let's go inside.
Okay. And this is a specialty from here. It's the shells. Inside is the chocolate mousse, Florentin, sugar almond, honey, and fruit, and the orange with black chocolate. Voilà.
Merci. Let's see. So we're gonna try the first taster. Try the
That's really good.
It's not too sweet. It's not overpowering. And the almond, you can almond. That's nice. I like that one.
Yang tak ulang ni.
And very good. Very
Is there any dark chocolate?
I think this orange one covered in dark chocolate. I think you will like this one with me. And I love it. Other than that, and then get what this one is. But more chocolate. One more.
Only so much.
Home would finish everything. But that's all we got now. Merci. Bye-bye.
Merci, bye.
That was only stop 1, and it's already a lot of chocolate. So we only bought 1 chocolate tasting, but we shared the bag. We didn't even finish it. I don't think you'll be able to get through all 9 if both of us did it. So recommendation is buy 1 and 2 can taste. This is the next store. For the next stop, Martel.
Oh.
So this is the tasting bag at Motel. And first we're gonna try the Rocher Noir, which is caramelized almond flakes. Dark chocolate.
66% dark.
66% dark chocolate. What is that? Like a nice snack. And then this one, next one is, it's not English. Oh, blend of Venezuelan cocoa and Swiss milk chocolate with a hint of coffee, coated with raw cocoa powder. Milk chocolate.
Is it like a toffee inside or chocolate?
Chocolate, like solid chocolate.
Almost have this whole piece.
Exactly. Like you can taste. I taste a bit of coffee. Yeah, good taste coffee. One more? No. Okay. We'll stop at that for now. That was good. There was actually one in the window with nougat in it. I really want to try that. I think I'm gonna try it to taste. This is the next stop, but we are just going to do a pick up and go because we actually don't have a lot of time, but we want to get as much chocolate as possible.
Yeah. So you win a chocolate.
Yes.
This is your gift.
Oh,
I give
that's
you.
lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you,
On
Messi.
doit with you. Plaisir.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This is stop number 4. We're also gonna just grab and go because it's a bit full in the store.
I will explain you what is inside.
Thank you.
All of you will give this description with our collection of the chocolate. Some milk, some dark and some caramel pieces inside, up to our choice. So you can taste a little bit of everything.
We're gonna do a tasting here? No. Next one.
Let's get some coffee now. I'll taste.
So apparently this almond caramelized and covered in cocoa is a specialty of Switzerland. The views are nice too. So beautiful. This is
Oh, but they closed.
really. Oh
They're back
no,
at 4 p.m.
they closed. Just can Nonica. And Nonica, we were going to stop here, but they closed for a little bit. And for lunch break, they're back at 4 p.m. They have a late lunch. Oh, that's sad. We can't wait until 4. The lunchtime. I suppose that's right. On to the next one. The thing I like about tours in general, the food tours and pastry tours, you get to taste and you get to walk around the city, which I quite like, which I don't think we would have done otherwise. So we saw that little cute, yeah, you walk in with a purpose, but you see that cute building there. Oh, that way. The one with the color shutters. Very cute. So Luke got his coffee. We stopped at a little bakery. The lady didn't speak English, but she really tried. It was so cute, but she was friendly nevertheless. So off to the last stop. Hopefully it's open, and then we have to run to the train station to get our bags, and then go back to the bus station to grab our bus to go to Chamonix. So the last one is Switzerland chocolate. What a fitting ending. Bonjour.
All for you, the 3 bestseller.
Okay.
You have here 2 truffles, The first one you have ganache passion fruit, it's creamy one. You have here rocher almond dark chocolate, it's crunchy. And for this one, the 3 roasted hazelnut coated with dark chocolate.
Okay, merci.
Avec plaisir. Thank you.
Have a good
Enjoy.
day. So we are gonna try this one at the last stop. I don't like truffle, so we will try those ones. You want the dark chocolate truffle? Good. Oh, you should tell me if I don't like it, like if it's strong. Then I'll try this dark chocolate one. That's nice. Not too sweet. Nice in look, not so sweet. And then there's another 2 almond balls and another one is truffle. Tasty. This is milk chocolate. I only would like those.
That more.
So thank you for watching. I will include all the stops in a Google Maps link below. I hope you enjoy it if you do it next time. Bye.